Hey guys, Ultimate here, back with another video. At the time of this recording, it is winter time. That means it's getting colder, it's getting darker faster, and not only that, it's raining more. Where I live at in the winter time, it's getting dark as soon as 4 o'clock compared to summertime at 9 o'clock. So what that usually means is we're driving around at night more often, and one of the worst things about driving at night is when you have halogen headlight bulbs. You can barely see anything. If it's raining, I feel like you have no visibility. Lack of visibility just kills your confidence driving at night. And what I want to do here is I'm going to be changing these halogen bulbs to LED bulbs. The first thing I want to do is I want to compare and contrast the two. Right now we're going to look at our halogen low beams. We're going to see how bright they are. Then we're going to transition. We're going to look at our low beams. We're going to see our high beams. Then we're going to transition to our LED bulbs and see the difference between the two. And if you can see here, we're about 30 feet away. This is what my friend here is, barely visible. Let's turn our high beams on. And that's about as bright as we are with our high beams on. Let's transition to our LED lights and compare the two. Okay, so I thought a perfect video for this would be, this is a 2008 Honda Accord. A lot of people have Honda Accords, so this would be a great way of showing how a simple LED upgrade can improve the look, feel, and presence of your vehicle. Let's take a look at our LED bulbs. And I just wanted to mention, you guys, this video is sponsored by Novsights. Novsights is a leading brand in anything that's automotive and involves lights. Let's unbox these and see what we have here. And if we look here, let me make sure I got the right lights here. Take this out. This is our, look at that there. We have our instruction manual. First thing we see here, all the information we need to do things safely, correctly, and operate it properly. Nice clean box. I love the styrofoam. It's very protective, very solid in here for safe shipping and handling. And if we pull this out, oh boy, aluminum grade, airspace aluminum, beautiful design. This is part of the N99 series. If you've ever seen older or cheaper LED lights, what you'll notice is that the fan can be huge and be overly sized, which can cause a problem when you're installing LED lights into your halogen assemblies, especially if it has a cap on it. Also, what you'll notice is that some cheaper LED lights have a cable that comes from here. Instead of this being here, it'll be an external cable, which can cause fitment issues if the headlight has to sit in the housing, or if you're trying to put it somewhere and not let the wire dangle around. These N99 series headlights are literally designed the same OEM way that the halogen lights are, so that when these are installed, you don't have no hassle, no issues, there's no installation problems, there's no modding you have to do. These come with anti-flicker technology. These have a canvas in here. If you ever install a LED light into a halogen car, newer cars will tell you that they may have an issue because these use less voltage. The canvas in here will ensure that the car still treats the new LED lights just like a halogen light. Not only that, for some vehicles they might flicker with cheaper LED lights. They won't happen with these headlights. All right, so we're going to take our old ones out and we're going to compare the two and we're going to install it. For the Honda Accord of this year, I think this applied up to 2012 or 2013, but you got to take the side cover off. It's going to be pretty quick. We're just going to come in here with a flathead. You may have to remove multiple of these depending on how many you have on your vehicle. Jeez. And we're just going to pull this out. I need to replace that. It's not in good shape. But now you can pull this fender liner back. We're going to reach our hand in here and kind of push that white clip in. Well, really tight fit for me. There you go. I feel it. Push the white clip in and you push it down. Headlights have not been removed for quite some time, and we're just going to turn it counterclockwise, and we're going to pull this out. All right. And as you can see here, this is our standard halogen bulb right here. Just give you guys a comparison. And this is our new LED. Notice that they are nearly identical in size. The fitment is phenomenal. LEDs usually use a fan. The fan is integrated into the design so that this will fit perfectly just like the new one will. If you notice here, see that the 3 humps, see there are 2 fat ones and a skinny one kind of in the middle. Notice that these are designed exactly the same, so that when you install these, you can't install these incorrectly. For those who don't know, LEDs have diodes on the sides, so when they sit in the headlight, they can't sit cockeyed, they can't sit up and down, they have to sit side to side. But the way this is designed, they only can be installed one way, so you can't get it wrong. So here's what you need to know about the halogen bulbs. These halogens only put out about 1800 lumens. They use about 65 watts of power, and they have a service life of around 50 to 2,000 hours of use. Let's compare that to the Novsight. With the Novsights, they put out about 24,000 lumens of light. These have a service life of about 50,000 hours. Chances are these lights will outlive your vehicle. Not only that, they have a color temperature of about 6,500. So these lights are about 13 times brighter. They're gonna last way longer than these will. And their fit and function is just so pretty. You just can't complain about it. The quality here just feels amazing. So now, let's throw these in and let's compare the two. And fitment is tight here, you guys. But I'm basically just gonna get her in there. Line the tabs up and twist her. And if you see there, she fits just like the halogen bulb does. Sorry that the fitment is so hard to see, but it's pretty simple. Turn the headlight counterclockwise to remove it, pull it out, put the new one in, turn it clockwise, it'll lock into place with the tab facing down, and just snap it back in. And Novsight was so kind and thankful, they provided us with the high beam as well. It's all, if you're gonna upgrade the low beam, might as well upgrade the high beam. The high beam sits right here, sits closer towards the inside of the body. If you look in here, what you could do is you could pull this up and out the way, but it's easier to just reach your hand in here, and I'm just gonna feel for it, and I'm gonna turn it right here and pop it out. I know you guys can't see it, it's gonna be a feel thing, but let's pull this out. So just slide this out. And I wanted to mention here, if I'm not mistaken, this is a 9005. So the low beam is a 9006. The high beam is a 9005. The only difference is, I think, is the connectors themselves. If I did not mention this, I'm wearing gloves for a reason. The oil from your hands can burn out the bulbs, especially these halogens with these here. So if you're gonna replace your headlights, you should always wear rubber gloves. So we're gonna pop this in. Fits just like the original, and I'm just gonna walk her in here, and I'm just gonna feel for the spot. And that's how it sits in the high beam position. All right. And one of the last things I like to do here is using some off spray. The best thing to do is to obviously buy new headlight assemblies, but this is a cool way of clearing these out so that you get the best picture possible. Basically just going to squirt it. These headlights actually really aren't that bad, but if you can tell, they're literally clearing them up on contact, and you just wipe it, and look at that. She's already brighter. Let's go to the other side. Same thing over here. And just wipe them down. And that's not too bad. All right, let's turn our headlights on. Let's see what we're working with. And if you guys can see here, this is our low beams. This is already pretty bright. We're gonna come over here, transition. Put your high beams on. And oh my goodness. All right, let's compare the two and let's see what we're looking like. And if you guys can tell, these are the low beams, and look how much more light we have here. Turn on the high beams. Golly. Yeah, this is a night and day difference. The amount of light here is immaculate. Woo! All right. And if you guys can't already tell, the amount of light here is beautiful. Thank you, Novsight, for sponsoring this video. If you guys are interested in buying Novsight lights, obviously you can check out novsight.com, but also if you want to order a pair of lights, you can use my discount code SAVE20533. Enter that when you go to checkout and save 20% on your purchases, okay? Remember, it doesn't just sell headlights. I mean, they don't just sell low beams, they sell high beams, they sell fog lights, they sell off-road lights. If you're a guy who likes being outdoor, they sell LED light bars, they sell switch panels, they sell jump starters, they sell folding foot pedals, they sell camping gear, they sell rock lights. If you are looking for an LED light upgrade, think about Novsight now. Remember, you can use my code SAVE20. When you go to checkout, type in SAVE20. You'll save 20% off on your purchases. And I just wanted to mention here for you guys, for those of you who have the xenon or the HID headlights, let's just talk about, let's say, hey, my ballast is going bad or something and my headlight assembly is failing. What I did on this vehicle in the past was, this car originally came with xenon HID headlights, but on a lot of these vehicles, the lower trim will come with halogen assemblies. It's cheaper and more affordable to buy a halogen assembly with the halogen bulb and just buy a LED and convert it from xenon or HID to LED. More affordable, more reliable, simpler. It's just a much better option, and I don't think xenon or HID can even compete with the bright, clean, crisp light that you get from a pure white LED bulb. Just some information for you guys who have the xenon or HID headlights and you're looking to do something about it. Black Friday is right around the corner. This could be a great gift for your boyfriend, your girlfriend, your wife, your husband, especially the older people, your mom, your dad, your grandma, your grandpa. As it's getting darker, a lot of time you'll hear your grandparents say, I gotta leave because it's getting dark outside. But these LED lights, they're gonna feel way more comfortable, way more safe driving at night with these LED high beams in. Thank you guys for watching. Till next time, out. Bye.